Turkey-Syria earthquake. Death toll passes 25,000 as Erdoğan warns against looting, as it happened. Two German aid groups suspend Turkey rescue operations. 12 people detained over collapsed buildings in Turkey. Death toll from earthquake passes 25,000. Erdoğan warns looters they will be punished. Death toll likely to more than double, says UN chief. Turkey death toll rises to 21,043. Earthquake, worst event in 100 years in this region, UN aid chief. Turkey's president, Tayyip Recep Erdoğan, has warned that looters will be punished after reports of people taking goods in earthquake-hit areas. A border gate between Turkey and Armenia has been opened for the first time in 35 years to allow aid to reach those affected in southern Turkey, state-owned Anadolu News Agency and a diplomat said. Turkish police have detained 12 people over collapsed buildings in the southeastern provinces of Gaziantep and Sanliurfa following the huge quake that hit Turkey, local media reported on Saturday. Nak dem Erdbeben in Duty #special char u $Ake und Syrian hat das Bundeschiff sen Rettungsaktionen aufgrund einer zunehmend schwierigen Sicherheitslage einstellen #special char u $Sun. We would urge members of the public to go online, look at dec.org.uk. You can see what the DEC charities are doing and ensuring that money gets to the right place very quickly. And this also obviously gives a boost to the local economy, which is much needed right now. It means that, from now on, the people who are involved in looting or kidnapping should know that the state's firm hand is on their backs, he said. He said that a 72-hour period after a disaster was usually the golden period for rescues, which has since expired, but that survivors were still being pulled out of the rubble. The number of people to have died in Syria is reported to be 3,553, according to the Agence France Presse, bringing the combined number of deaths across both regions to 24,596.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.